my objective is, I just put this inside a comment. Objective is to read a sequence of characters from keyboard, okay, until I enter capital letter I. So what I want to do here, I just want to read a sequence of the characters from the keyboard till I enter capital letter Y. So as soon as I enter a capital letter Y, I just want to break. I just want to stop reading. Okay. So for that, what I do, I just write a code in this way: hash include stdio dot h. Okay. So I write void main. So next I declare a variable I, and I declare character ch. Okay. So next I write for I equal to 1, I less than or equal to say 20, I plus plus plus. So I want to read till 20. So next what I do, I just ask the user to enter the character. Printf enter the character. Okay. So I say ch equal to get ch. So get ch is a function which is used to read a single character from the keyboard. So as soon as I read a character from the keyboard, I just want to store it in ch variable. So next I check. So if ch equal to capital Y, if this condition is satisfied, then I say break. I don't want to continue reading. Okay. So else I just want to display the character which is entered from the keyboard. So I write printf the entered character is percentage C slash n double quote complete comma ch. Okay, and I put a flower bracket here to close looping statement, and this is for closing a main function. See what I am doing here, I want to read a character from the keyboard, that is 20 characters. Okay, so this function will read a single character from the keyboard, and which will be stored in ch variable. So first I check the character which is entered from the keyboard is equal to y. If it is equal to y, I just want to stop by using break statement. Otherwise I want to display the character which is entered from the keyboard. Okay, so let me save this. cd break dot c. So I just build a code. Let me check, is there any error? Yeah, so 0 errors and 0 warning. So I click on run button. Yes, it is asking me to enter the character. See, if I enter a character O, so then what happened here? The entered character O is displayed. It is asking next character. See, I'm go on entering the characters. So it is reading from the keyboard. See, now I enter a character E. Now I enter character W. Suppose if I enter a character capital Y, the execution is stopped here. So because of break statement. Okay, see, let me insert one more new line character here so that you can see the clear output, what actually happening here. Okay, to build, once again I run this code. I enter a capital T, capital R. So again it is asking me to enter the character, even though if I enter capital R, capital T, it is asking me to enter the new character. If I enter small e, small w, again it is asking and it is displaying on the screen. Okay, see here. See, if I enter D, if I enter F, suppose if I enter capital Y, then what happening here? It is stopping there itself. So this is because of a break statement. See, what I am doing here, I am checking the content of the ch variable. If the content of ch variable is equal to y, I just want to stop this looping statement. Okay, so instead of break, suppose if I enter continue here, instead of break, if I enter continue here, right? So here what happens, though even though if I enter a capital Y, still it will consider, it will not display that particular character, but it will continue with next character reading. Okay, so let me save this. See, instead of break I have entered continue here. Okay, so save, yes, build, yeah, run. So now what I do, I just enter q. So a q character is read from the keyboard and it is displayed on the screen. Suppose if I enter capital Y, see, it is not displayed, only it is read but not displayed on the screen, but it is continuing the reading. Say U, E, O, L, like, till this process will be continued till 10 times. Okay, till 10 characters which I enter from the keyboard. So here what happened, when I insert a break statement, what happens, the control will be breaked, means the control will just come out from the loop and it will stop there itself. Suppose if I enter continue statement, if I insert continue statement, so it will not exit from the loop, but it will continue from next iteration. So this is about reading a character, sequence of the characters from the keyboard until I press capital letter Y. Okay, so now what we do, we shall write one more program to demonstrate continue statement. So objective is to display numbers from 1 to 200 except the multiple of 3. Okay, see, what I want, I just want to skip the numbers which are multiple of 3 and I want to display all remaining numbers. Say for example, see, if I get 1, I want to display 2, but if I get 3, I don't want to display because 3 is a multiple of 3. I continue with 4, 5, 6 is multiple of 3, so therefore I don't display. I continue with 7, 8, 9, so on till 200 I want to display. Okay, so then how program is written for this? I just copy the same thing here. Okay, so only the condition I will change, right? So the character is no more required for this particular program. So I continue from 1 to 200. Okay, and this is also not required, right? This is also not required, and I write here a condition, that is I mod 3 equal to 0. If I mod 3 equal to 0, then I don't consider that number, but I continue with the next number. Okay. So therefore I am inserting continue statement inside this loop. Suppose if I get any number which is not multiple of 3, then I want to display that particular value. So therefore I write here %d and here I write I. So every time the content of I will be a number. Okay. So if that number is multiple of 3, I don't consider it. I just continue with the next iteration. Otherwise I consider that number and display it on the screen. Okay. So save, yeah, cd continue dot c. Okay. So let me run this code, build, say run. See what happened here. Just look at the output. See, it has displayed a numbers, all the numbers which are between 1 to 200, so which are not multiple of 3. So let me reduce this size so that you can visualize correctly. So I save this, build, run. See here. See, it has displayed all the numbers. Say 1, 2, see 3 has skipped, 4, 5, 6 is skipped, 7, 8, 10, 11, so 9 and 12 is skipped, and so on till 20 it has displayed. Okay. So suppose if I write break here. Okay. So what happens? Let me check. So run. So only 1, 2 will be displayed because a third number, 3 is a number which is multiple of 3. So therefore it will stop there itself. It will not continue till a 20 number. Okay. I hope it is clear for you.